Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something that helps you concentrate. You should say what it is, when you do it, how did you learn about it, how it helps you concentrate.
One thing that helps me concentrate is drinking green tea. I usually drink green tea when I have a long day ahead of me or when I need to work on a task that requires sustained attention. I first learned about the benefits of green tea from a health article I read online. Green tea contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that can improve cognitive function and increase alertness. Drinking green tea helps me concentrate because it gives me a gentle energy boost without the jittery feeling that can come from drinking coffee. The amino acid L-theanine in green tea also has a calming effect on the brain and can reduce anxiety, which allows me to focus more clearly on my work. Overall, I find that drinking green tea is a simple but effective way to improve my concentration and productivity. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.